All Parties Hurriyat Conference has extended its heartfelt thanks to the government and the people of Pakistan for their unwavering solidarity with the people of occupied Kashmir on the occasion of Yawm-e-Istisal Kashmir observed on August 5th. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Pakistan's support has significantly boosted the morale of the Kashmiri people. Institute of Multi-Track Diplomacy, Dialogue and Development Studies, in collaboration with the University of the Punj, hosted a seminar titled The Kashmir Dispute: Deconstructing India's Illegal Strategy on the Abrogation of Article 370 on 5th August 2024. The event brought together scholars, students and community members to discuss the critical issue of the Kashmir's special status and its repercussions. Major opposition parties, including the Congress, staged protests in the Jammu, demanding the restoration of the statehood, and criticized the BJP-led Delhi regime's decision to celebrate the abrogation of Article 370 on the 5th anniversary of the illegal action. The protesters, led by the Congress Occupied Kashmir chief Waqar Sulwani and the Congress Working President Raman Bhalla, among others, raised slogans and demanded the immediate restoration of the statehood with the safeguards for the land, jobs and natural resources for the locals. Indian Forces personnel arrested 3 youth in the Islamabad district. The Indian troops arrested the youth identified as Dawood Ahmed, Imtiaz Ahmed and Shahid during a cordon and search operation in the district. Ghulam Mohammad Safi, convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter, has strongly condemned the India's use of the pellet guns in occupied Kashmir, stating that it is prohibited globally and violates the international laws. Safi emphasized that the thousands of the children have lost their sight due to the pellet gun injuries and that India's actions have crossed all limits of the oppression.